Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Fruit for Thought. I'm actually not sure which month this is. I had it since about the beginning of January, so I'm thinking it might be the December box if they had some left over, or it may be the January. I'm not sure. I don't remember either of the themes for those, but I know the one for February. So let me say that it's raspberry white chocolate. If you're not familiar with this subscription box, I've unboxed it here and reviewed it a few times. It is a monthly. Everything is either fruit or vegetable themed, and they really send some cute, adorable lifestyle products. This is great. A lot of you guys called it. You were like, this is great for teenagers, and it is. It's so cute. So this is their full-size box, I believe. It contains 5 to 8 items, and it's $44.99 a month. They do also have a mini box, I believe, but I couldn't find it on the site, so I'm gonna have to do a little more research after this video, and I'll put that down below as well, so you guys know the price of that one. What else? 5 to 8 items, very cute, always really well packaged. So it's just so pretty, isn't it? Like the ribbon, the whole thing, and it always, because it's a fruit themed or vegetable, it always smells good. So, is this the blood orange? January blood, this is the January blood orange kumquat. And then the February is romantic raspberry white chocolate. And then in the back, I'm sure it tells us what's in here. We're just not gonna peek unless we have to. All right. I kind of like this way because you guys can see as I'm opening it up. I'm still figuring out the lighting now. My mother-in-law's staying with us, so I'm having to, you know, balance my time. All right, so first I see a bath bomb. All right, this is Kumquat Bath Bomb from Gypsy Girl Creations. Ooh, look, and it has it's gonna have green in it too. It smells fruity. I've never had a kumquat. I have no idea what it tastes like. Have you guys? If you have had one, let me know down below if it's delicious, what your thoughts are on it. All right. Next we have, all right, Blood Orange Caramel Sweet Addict Bakery. My children are upstairs jumping. Oh, we have a trampoline, a small. All right. So is this oh, it's an actual caramel. Oh, I don't know if I can open it right now. Oh my gosh. Because it's preserves. Oh, it's caramel. I can't eat this. I want to eat all of it. I'm going to have to dole that out slowly to myself. Oh, that's so delicious. My daughter just walked downstairs. All right, so next we have Tarocco moisturizing shampoos or conditioner as well as just shampoo. Moist Sicilian blood oranges. Oh, that sounds amazing. This is the first time I've ever gotten shampoo in one of their boxes, which is really cool. It's tape, but I kind of want to smell it. Why not? Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, I love it. So this is from Tarocco. I've never heard of that brand before. All right, then we have, oh my, this is a Diet Coke and Zesty Blood Orange. I've never heard of that before. That's interesting. I may have to try it. Just sip it. I don't drink soda, but I'm gonna have to try this. Diet Coke and Zesty Blood Orange. That sounds so fun. All right, keeping up here. Next we have Serum number 5, Beauty with Heart Cuticle Serum. Oh, so this is kumquat lime, and then you rub this on this is great for this time of year because my cuticles, and I'm a picker, so I pick mine, and they just get really like gnarly. So then you just use this, and it's kumquat lime. Is that what kumquat is? A blood orange? Or is it kumquat different? Is that, I have to, blood orange kumquat, I wonder. Now I'm gonna have to look it up. Anyway, so you just rub this on. Now, I don't think it's actually coming out yet because I have to, and then it like heals your, you know, it moisturizes your cuticles. That's super cool. All right, I think we're down to our last item here. And it is, oh, they're meringues. Lord of Meringues. Oh, so in here you have pink, is grapefruit, orange is blood orange, green is key lime, and yellow is lemon. Ooh, I think that's everything. Don't want to miss anything though. All right, so in this box we received our meringues, our Diet Coke. How cool is that? Some meringues in there. It's like a whole snap. Some blood orange caramel, which I've never heard of anything like that, and I can't wait to try this, even though I shouldn't be eating this. Bath bomb. Our serum, which is amazing. This is probably like, I don't know, these are expensive. And then our awesome shampoo. I can't wait to use this either. So I love it. What do you guys think? I will link to my full review below. I will also link to Fruit for Thought so you can check them out if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you know anything about kumquats, tell me more. I want to know all about them. As always, thank you guys. Bye.